If the value is blank, then change the background color to black. Whoa, okay, so that means that originally like this value is all black. But then when there is a value here, they had to uh change back to yellow. Yeah. And this is currently done in manual way. So they want something like this. So on this right hand side, when I put this value here, look at that. And I change it to 4. Let's look at that. Right, so it saves more time, right? Now, the concept is actually based on the concept of using the function called how do we check that the value is blank? Right, we use the function called is blank. Right, look at that. Now, the check this cell here, is it blank? Right, if it's blank, then it will return the true value. So if I change to 1, you see now it becomes false. Look at that. It's now changed to a color, right? So using is blank can do that. So in my this latest Excel Formula Guide 2024, right? This is how we can also use in such a way as well, right? There are many other new way to use Excel formula. Okay, let's come back to here. So how do you use that? How to change that to 1, right? So it's like I would now go to condition formatting. Let me just clear rules from the selected cell, right? So it's just originally it's yellow and there's no value. Now look at that, everything is blue. And then what I do next is go to condition formatting, go to new rules, just use a formula, and I'm going to check on the very first cell here. So start with equal sign is blank, and then click on this here, and I'm going to remove the $sign for the row parts, and then click format. So whenever it's blank, I want it to change to a black color. So I go to format, go to this, click OK, then click OK. That's it. Right, so now it's blank. Now when I change to a color, it's now highlighted. Now notice that here this blank is just to double confirm on that, right? So, and that's it. So you can use this particular use, right, such as like when you have an order list. So put a file here. It's very different from put a file here, right? And thanks for watching.